This area through the center ended up getting raised up. It used to be down low. You know, each building, even at least the ones that I've been blessed to work on these days, I can always look back on them and say that there's always a story to tell behind it.
We're at the sheep barn, and the 4-H exhibitors here are making last-minute preparations to enter the ring. Let's go join them on the tan barn.
I am nervous every time I shear, but if you're not nervous, you're not human, right?
Kind of like a family tradition to come to the state fair and show sheep.
The sheep barn at the Iowa State Fair has been a center of agricultural activity for decades. All of the brick barns at the Iowa State Fair are special. Their grand entrances exude importance. They elevate agriculture, and they demand a place in Iowa's history.
And so there's a whole bunch of things that show you that it was built by hands. All the brick. You got to imagine all of the different people over time that laid each and every one of these bricks in every one of these buildings. It's been an ongoing process since the early 90s to keep this facility alive for our users now, users in the future.
The livestock barns as a whole are undergoing a major $25 million renovation that started in 2023. The project addresses needs like roofing, flooring, electrical, and restrooms. Some of the polychrome terracotta on the sheep barn's exterior has been taken down for repairs.
It is a unique piece of ornament to not only have terracotta on your building. A lot of times you see those things downtown, but to see it on a fairgrounds and to see it in a barn certainly makes it worth preserving.
Restoration work takes time, and delays in scheduling means that the terracotta isn't quite finished, but the inside is ready for fairgoers to enjoy.
Well, this year when the fairgoers arrive, the people that are showing arrive, hopefully they'll be able to walk into this space and see or get a sense that maybe time has been turned back. If you look closely, you'll always see these kind of imperfections, maybe a line that isn't quite straight or something that makes you wonder what they were thinking. And I'm amazed by how few of drawings it took to actually build some of these things to the degree of ornament and precision that they have. Something as simple as restoring the flagpoles that used to be on all the corners of this building became something that was important. Even though they were gone, we knew that they were once there, and I think people appreciate when they go on the grounds just to be able to see those flags flying on the corners of their building. You can't really build history. It's something that's already been there. And so it's a matter of trying to figure out how to maintain it and appreciate the rough edges with the clean edges and those sorts of things.